Everybody thinks I always have an amazing time on the road. Sometimes it's just like this. I'm sitting here on Emma Mountain Road, but I'm watching that storm system, which actually starts over here. There's a break in the mountains there, and through the break, the weather pattern seems to push moisture in this way and cold air, which is coming from a storm that I've been watching the last couple days, and seems to form rain out that way. Hasn't moved up this way yet, but it seems to be getting awfully close today. So I'm just sitting on the side of the road, thinking about making camp, even though it's like 2:30 in the afternoon. And that's it. That's it. That's my excitement. Sitting here watching rain clouds go away. So better safe than sorry, because the clouds look like they are moving in, covering more mountains closer to me than they were before, even though it's now sunny over there, so I'm hoping it breaks. But just in case, I am further up from the road, and I've set this dead tree, there's a lot of dead trees around here, close to this one. That way, if I have to, I can easily stretch my tarp between these two. That one's actually fairly secure in the bush there, so stretch my tarp between the two and go to sleep here. Even though it's on an incline, put my sleeping bag under my feet and raises them up. I don't slide anywhere, so not bad. I'm not really visible from the road. If you were coming from that direction looking straight up this way, you might see me right now because I'm standing. As soon as I lay down, forget it, and as soon as I put my green tarp up, forget it, and as soon as it gets dark, forget it. Or if it clouds over and starts raining, forget it. Nobody's looking. But that's it. That's just in case it starts raining. Hopefully it doesn't. But it's getting cold. Yep, here comes the rain. Got this thing set up just in time. I gotta put down my ground sheet next. And it looks like I'm stuck here for the night on top of a mountain. But at least I'm not as high up as I would be, and the rain shouldn't last all night, hopefully. Looks like they've hit complete whiteout conditions out there on the road, and doesn't look like this is gonna stop anytime soon. So for the foreseeable future, whoops, I am stuck here in my little tarp shelter in the snow on the mountain. Yay.